Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to make charts and plots using Python Excel. In this case, I have taken this particular example from Visual Capitalist. Very nice and beautiful plots they make. So I'm going to show you how you can make it easily in 3 to 4 minutes using Python, Excel, ChatGPT, and PowerPoint. So let's get started. Very easy graph. Okay, so I don't have the access to this data and I have no copyrights. I don't own any of this, so I'm just going to make sample data just for illustration purposes, so I don't have any claim for any of this. I'm just going to make it, redraw it just to show how we can make it easy steps using simple tools that we have like Excel, Python, and other like ChatGPT, just in general. So first of all, we are what I did was like I just regenerated this data using just giving this image to the ChatGPT so that it can generate the sample data for me. So once it was done, what I did was like I just put it here. Now I have this data over here from A1 to G10, and I'm going to read this data from Python using simple code. And for that code, what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate the data using this Python itself. So let's just generate new chat. So I will say that I have a Excel file with data from cell A1 with headers and data in the columns. I want to generate a line plot using Seaborn, and what I want, I also want to adjust its thickness, and what else, titles, axis, and yeah, that's it. And also I want my figure or my plot to be 7 inches tall, or 7, I would say 7 by 5, I would say. So once it's done, what we are going to do is we are going to adjust it by our own self. Okay, so write a Python code. I'm not writing a perfect prompt for this, but it's going to help. So let's see. So once it's done, it's going to give a Python line script. We are going to use it, and so it's for now it's giving an Excel path, for instance, right here for Excel path. We can simply change it to CSV if you want to. That's easy. So we're just going to copy this, go to the like visual editor. In this case, I have a visual what do we call it? It's a Visual Studio Code, and I'm going to use a Python file. Once it's done, I'm going to paste the code here, and then simply what I'm going to do is like these are some dependencies, and then I'm going to install my file path. Not install, just so this is already a data that I already set up. So I'm going to copy here, go to copy as path, go back here, I'm going to put it here. So one thing is that this is a CSV file, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this file path from Excel to CSV. I could have done this in the code itself, but I thought it was much easier to do it here. So I'm just going to do it like this. Now once it's done, we're going to run it. So after you run it, it says that okay, save it first. Let's say plot SNS and chart. Let's say this is enough. So once it's done, it's going to take some time, like a couple of seconds. Once it's completed, it's going to bring it up. Now if you see, this plot is somehow the way it is, but we want to make a few changes in this plot. Firstly, we want to change these 1s, 2, 3, and 6s into years. Okay, now I want to give some other adjustments. Okay, now firstly I'm going to show you how you can do it, so it's easy. So I'm going to show you how you do it in ChatGPT, so it's easier for you who don't know how to use Python. Okay, change the axis to years as in the Excel data. I want to have my units for y-axis as TWH, terawatt hours. Now it's going to make some changes, and also again this one is not done, so we are going to change it. So now you see this energy is in terawatt hours, x is year, and now let's see if it takes data from our Excel or not. Let's see if this is correctly formatted or not. Okay, now this is done. We're going to go back here to the code here. We're just going to leave this one as is because we want to use it. So let's just copy and paste it here. I'm not doing anything special. what I did was like, I'm just going to copy this so that I don't have to write it again. So let's just write it here and then delete the extra part. If you're doing something wrong, it's going to tell you, okay, you're not doing this thing wrong, right? You're doing this thing wrong. So you see it says that could not interpret energy terawatt hour value for y, an entry with this name does not appear in the data. So this one is not. Update these if you actual column in the differ. Okay, we can do this. So let's say energy terawatt hours. So let's just talk to him. Okay. So my data looks something like this. Okay, we don't have to put an image here, we can just talk to him. Something like this. Can you adjust the titles, and I want to get data from my CSV. The file path is updated to the following. So what I'm trying to do is like, I'm just trying to tell and bring ChatGPT to paste so that it knows that what changes I made, so it can follow those changes. So what it tells is like, thanks for the data, you need to reshape this one to make it suitable for the Seaborn, which is kind of a package. So once it's done, what you see is like it kind of changes things into different formats so that it can easily handle it. So you don't have to worry about it, just ask it, and as you like work on this over time, you're easily going to learn how things work. Okay, so you don't worry about it. So just keep on going that. If you don't know anything, just copy this, put it in ChatGPT, let them know, okay, I have this problem, that problem is going to help you out. Okay, now this is the plot that I got. Okay, I don't need this title. Okay, I don't need so this is the title, I don't need this. So I can just simply comment this out. I can just do like this, I don't need this. And tick labels is here, and what else I don't need? I don't need let's say let's just redraw it. Okay, now once it's redraw, this is like as is. Now what I want is like, I want no grid. Okay, what I also don't want legend. Okay, and what else? Let's just run it again and see what else we don't want. So once the things that we don't want, we can just let them know, and it will simply go on. And then we can always work on these in PowerPoint. So we don't, all we need is like these data points. And now let's go back here and see what else we need. I think that's pretty much it. So let's just ask ChatGPT for one final one, and then we're going to use that image to redraw it. Okay, now it's done. Okay, let's go. So now let's just copy this, go back to the code, paste it here, rerun it. Okay, and then it's going to show you the plot that it made. So one more thing, if it's already open, just close it and then rerun it. It's going to work in that way. If not, it's going to prompt you that, oh, something is open or something is not, something is left open. Okay, now what you can do is like, you can do something like this and this, or you can just extend it. You can go to the settings here, and all you can do is like do something like this. Okay, bring it here, like this. Okay, and then top, you can increase it here. We don't need the top part, so it's fine. We can just increase length. So W space H space, I don't know if it's how it works. For bottom, we can increase it like this. Okay, and then for right, we can do it like this, and for left, we can always make it like this. Okay, that's all. Okay, now we want to save the figure. We want to change it to, we can change the scalable vector graphic because we need SVG for high format. We go here, downloads, and then we just paste it here as save. Okay, that's all. Now all we need is a few plots. Okay, and then I can ask him, can you provide flags for the countries I mentioned? It's going to help me with the countries I mentioned. So okay, now let's go like this, or we can just find like this, China map. Oh, China flag, not map. So China's flag. Okay, we're just going to collect some images from here. Okay, go here, and then we can just simply copy it. If anything is wrong in terms of the flags, I'm not copying properly, please forgive me. I might be doing something wrong. I'm just doing it for sample purposes. Don't take it seriously. Okay, and then I'm just doing it for sake of understanding, so that people understand how to do stuff easily. Even if they don't have like super Photoshop or other editing skills, they can simply do in PowerPoint if you want to. I'm going to change this to canvas to a little bit different, and then it will be easier for you guys to understand. So I'm just going to copy this and all that. And apologies that I make these videos in a single go, because I usually find it hard editing it a lot, so which is why I try to save my time and do it like this. So please apologize, please forgive me about for this. And if you think I can try some other way to make videos, please let me know, something that's much easier for you to understand, or something that's more convenient. I was also thinking to make of making videos just by simply not speaking, and just by simply making it without saying anything. But please let me know if you think that it's a good way or not, because at the end of the day I want you guys to learn, and if you learn well, then it's going to be something that I'll be very happy about. I see a lot of people comment and say that they learn a lot from my videos, which makes me very happy. So thanks guys for watching, and I really appreciate the support. And let's just go here, and then last one is India, and then we're going to copy this, and then we're going to go here, and then we're going to paste it here. I know it's a bit tricky thing, but I'm going to make it easy for you to understand. Okay, so once it's done, let's just open a new Excel or new PowerPoint. I'm going to change the design again, slide size, custom slide size. I'm going to make it portrait, so it's easier to edit. Let's just make this one slide size a little bit bigger. We need something more. Let's make it 9 inches in width. Okay, and short foot. Okay, this much is much better. Okay, now we are going to copy this one for sample reference. I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to show you how you can do it. Okay, easy peasy, nothing difficult to do. All you gotta do is like just simply watch how I do it. So take this graph, go to PowerPoint using this file. I'm going to put it here. Oh, not this one, I'm sorry. Let me see. I think that the name was figure 1. Yeah, this one. So I'm gonna go here, I'm going to go here, and then put it here. So don't worry, I'm going to help you out, fix everything. We're going to do each and everything one by one, and we're going to do it together. Okay, so don't worry about it. So I'm just going to crop this again, crop this part again, then this part again. All when everything is done, all you can do is like you can simply Control Shift G. What it does, it breaks SVG into editable graphics, which is easier to handle. And somehow it's messing it up, which is a thing we need to work on. But anyways, we're going to work through this, because since we started this, we have to work on this. Okay, otherwise I have to tell you how to do it, so just bear with me. Okay, I'm going to make a few adjustments here. Delete this one here. I know this data points is not correct. We don't want to have this one. Okay, let's just zoom in a little bit and then delete it once for all, and then delete this one, and then delete this one. Okay, we're going to work on this one. Don't worry. Okay, so now let's just say we don't need this. Okay, and we also, let's just keep it for reference. Control group, and we put it here. We're not going to make that much bigger, so we're going to reduce something here. Now let's just go back to our previous PowerPoint. Take the flags from here, copy it, and then go back and paste it here. All we're gonna do is like go to picture format, crop to shape, and then we're going to just use circle, and then we're going to use 2 and 2. Okay, this one is doing like this because we have to lock the aspect ratio. Okay, 2 and 2, and then you see it's 2 and 2. It should work fine. Okay, so for some reason, let me just adjust this one. Some reason it's not working well with for. Okay, let's just undo this, and then let's do it like this. So 1 2 3 4 5, then crop to shape, and then circle. Okay, this is like this, and then crop. This is already done, and then I want to aspect. Okay, reset it, 2 and 2, 2, Let's make it 2. For some reason creating some problem. Okay, let's see. Don't worry, we're going to fix it. Okay, let's try to do it one by one. So let's go here, crop to shape, and then we're going to use, oh, why are we using this shape? This is not even a circle. So let's just use something that's a proper circle, something like this. Now we want to adjust log aspect ratio. So if you want to, then you also want to, I don't know why the aspect ratio isn't being locked, so let's just simply do like this. Or what you can do is like simply what you can simply do is like make a circle, make it like this. Make sure you wanna make sure that it doesn't exceed the length here. All you gotta do is like go here, put it here, just for sample purposes. Once it's done, all you gotta do is copy this, copy, and then try to paste it here. No, let's see how we can do it. Like we can kind of there are ways to do it. Let's see. So insert format shape, maybe. Yeah, I know how to do it. Okay, let's save all these images, save as picture, and I'm going to save all these in downloads. Okay, save as picture, save as picture, save. There should be an easy way to do it, but I don't have enough time to redo the same thing again, so I'm just going to do this like this. So please bear with me. If you want to skip it, just go ahead to the next part. It will be easier for you to follow on. Okay, so let's just do like this. Copy them, 2 3. We need 1 2 3 4 5 6 of these, so 3 and 3 6. Now let's just start putting in. So insert pictures, this device. We're going to start with picture 6. Insert, not here, so let's go here, like this. Click here for shapes, picture fill. Hey, this is, you see, copy this, click here, picture, clipboard, copy this one. Yeah, that's the same thing, it's just messing the icon. Okay, never mind. I'm going to use the same way that which I was using, and I was right about it. It's just the image that's this kind of creating a problem. And then 2 by 2. Let's just go and fix this one. If you do the aspect ratio, it should work fine. I don't know why it's not doing it. Scale height and height, reset, then 2 and then you just do it like this. Format picture. It's not doing a good job, to be honest. Okay, let's just use this one. Okay guys, now let's just copy this picture format, align to left, and distribute vertically. We need to adjust a few things here and there. So what we gotta do is, like, since this is the blue one, this is a transparent one, we are going to give it a background so it's easier to see it. And since this is down here, we're going to put it down here. And also we want to make sure we are using the right line colors. So go here, eyedropper, and go here, and then this is not the color because we are using the shape, not the line color. So we're going to do it like this, and then we are going to increase the weight up here. I know you might be thinking, oh, it's taking a lot of time. He said it's not going to take a lot of time, but bear with me. I'm showing you some things that are not easier to find, and so that's going to help you out. So I'm just going to quickly go with this format painter, this one, change this color to, I'm just doing it randomly. Please don't associate anything with anything with these numbers. Okay, they are not reflecting anything. I'm just saying it again and again so that nobody comes after me. Oh, you showed this something less, you showed this something higher. So please don't think anything like that. So doing like this, and then I'm going to change this color, eyedropper, to blue for US, and then no, this was for US, and I guess there's one more line here, and this one should probably be for Russia, and then this one, wait, this one, and then the second one goes to India, green, and then goes to EU is this one, and then this is United States of America, and then this one goes to red for China. And then we go here, take eyedropper, and this one I'll try to speed up. Okay, don't worry. Okay, now once this is done, all we gotta do is like we're going to use it like this, put this one here. Okay, once it's done, now let's go grab other images. So now it's Russia. How much is the height? 0.77. So let's do 0.77 for everything, put it here. Okay, so let's just bring to front since it's a bit higher, and then this one 0.77, like this comes on the top. I'm going to show you how to align them, so don't worry about it. And then comes the EU, then comes US, and then comes China. 0.77, it's just the height. So we're going to work on that. Now once it's done, select all, align to the left. Now this is balanced. Now you can simply manually drag it. Once it's done, just delete this one. Now things that we need. Okay, some quick things. We don't need this line, just delete this one. So let's just delete this one. We don't need the top one, let's just delete this one. And then we need this one, but we need it to be exactly here next to it, and then we also need a different color, so we're going to work on that. And then once it's done, you bring it here, and then just zoom in a little bit, go here, drop it down to here, and then like this. Okay, all done, all set, good. Now we have to work on the text. So insert. I know you would say it's taking a long time, but trust me, this is the only way you could do it. Otherwise you need to use some fancy softwares. Okay, so you want to put it down here. We want to work on the colors first. We don't want to be too dark here, so, and also we want to use dark, but we don't want to use that much of a dark color. So we want to use a little bit of dark color. So this is not enough dark, so we are just going to change it a little bit. We're going to use probably maybe we can just copy the shade. We can zoom in a little bit, go here, and then we see which color is it. It's just a jet black color. Just use this one, 2K, and then we're going to make it left center so it's easier for us to manage. 2 Control Shift, drag it up till 10. Okay, it's going to adjust automatically, so don't worry, because since the highest is the China, it's going to manage 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 2 3 4 5, and then we just need another one more. And then this is just kind of dragging. I'm using Control and Shift to drag it. And now arrange, align, distribute vertically. So once it's distributed, now let's just go and change the numbers. So 2, no, sorry, this one is 2, this one is 4, this one is 6, and this one is 8, and then the top one is 10. So 10. Okay, now this is done. All we gotta do is like work on the bottom ones. I know I could make it faster by just simply deleting the parts that are slow, or in which I can say, oh, it's done. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 1 2 3 6 and 9. I'm going to select this. I'm going to go here, arrange, align, and now this time I'm going to do horizontally because these are horizontal. Okay, so 1985, 1990, 1995, hold on, 1995, 2000, one more, and then 2005, 2005, and then 2010, 2015, 2020, and you can do with your own data. Okay, if you're doing something related to countries or something, you can easily do it for with your own data. Okay, now this is kind of basic one. Okay, now we have to work a little bit more on this. So if you want to work a little bit more on this, just go here, copy paste here, just an image, remove this outline, no outline, and just go here, select eyeball colors, it says gray, and send it back. Okay, this is kind of starting looking nicer. All we gotta do is like go here, we're going to make it a bit less transparent. Okay, we don't want to give a lot of color to this. Now we're going to start typing in the things that we need. Now let's go here, we want a text, let's say top, all we want is cap top power. Now we want to make it bold, increase the font, and we want something more powerful. You can use some other font if you want, because since this is kind of a font that you need a more powerful impact, so you can use something like this or this, or you can just, these are fancier fonts. Okay, so even if you don't have it, don't worry, you can just use simply other ones. When I say century, use this one. This you can also use this one if you want to. It creates a nice impact. Top power, producing countries, and you can do like this. Okay, COUNTR, yes, countries. Now all you gotta do is like bring it down here, 1985 to 2024. Go here, make it smaller like this. And if you want to try some other fonts, if you don't like this one, go for it. All you gotta do is like go here, select these four, and then maybe change it to this one, whatever you like. It depends like how you want to see it, how it looks good, how it looks better. Now you see the way they are overlapping each other, they're kind of creating a very nice color. Now if you want to give it some little bit subtle, and you can just change its color like this. And now let's work on the other parts, like the smaller details. That's it. So this we have here. All we gotta do is we want to be exact like that, so we are going to change it. Okay, so we are going to work on illustrations. We're going to go here in the background, so let's say background. What should I say? Backgrounds. I could see backgrounds before, or graphic maybe. Okay, let's just come back to this. So first we need a flash. Okay, flash. Okay, here we go. So we have it here. Easy and easy, right? Very easy and simple. You take it like this, make it this, and then color like this, or change this to exact color they're using. Okay, and then all you gotta do is like take this and then type in China generated more electricity. Now just reduce the font, remove the bold, bring it here. Okay, since they are using a little bit smaller, we are also going to do it the same way. So go here, down, like this, but we need a little bit bigger. Okay, this time we can use some other font, century. Okay, now go here, bold, electricity, in 2024, then the U.S, comma EU and India combined. Now full stop, go here, change it to like this. Okay, more electricity, so we're gonna do it like this. Okay, now this one is not fitting well, so we have to change the font. So which font is this? Arial. So we're gonna go here, change it to Arial. Okay, and then increase until we have electricity on top like that. Okay, now just reduce it so that there is just electricity in here, and then we're going to bold these ones as said, and then you can probably make these lighter so that the black one can stand more. Okay, so now this is it, And then this following information, now all we gotta do is like use the other one. So China, this one goes here, and then we can increase like that. Sorry, we can go here, and then we can increase the font. It's up to us if you want to keep it on the left side or right side. Okay, so all we can do is like this, make a one sample one, China, let's say 10.1 T, 10.1k. Wow, that's a lot. 10.1k terawatt hours. All you gotta do is copy this, make it a little bit smaller as they did. Change this color, go here, text color, change it from here to this one, or they made like that and then change this one, and then you can call it simply electricity generation. This is just an idea for you, okay, how you can do it. It doesn't mean that, oh, I took a lot of time. I took a lot of time because I'm doing it for the first time, and it's just making right away, and this is just raw video. Okay, so try it, learn from it, and then replicate for your own data. Okay, don't just sit idle. Okay, try to replicate this, and try to like use these ideas like in your work. It's gonna help you. Okay, now let's just do it like this. Now we're gonna do is for u.s dot, and then we're going to use 4.4 4.4k. Now this one should be blue, and as said, you can use it as blue. Okay, now we're going to copy this, put it down. So since it's using it over there, all we can do is we can also do it the same way. We bring it here like this, and then we're going to move these flags a little bit on the other side. Delete these, touch the flags. Move them a little bit here. Okay, enough that it doesn't shows the backline. Okay, this one with arrow. Okay, and what you can do is like copy this all, unselect this one, move all together here, so that you have more space to work on here on the other side. Okay, now let's just go here, make some small adjustments and these ones, and then just simply delete this, and then just change the background, format background, solid fill, and then just choose this color. It's easier to handle. And now once it's done, all we gotta do is like we have to adjust the text here, move it like this. That's the same way they did. This is for EU, this is for India, this is for Russia, and then this is for Russia, and this is for Japan. So go here, JPN, and then we can do it. I simply select these two, just reduce a little bit of font, it will adjust. Okay, and then when you were doing this one also got adjusted, so I just make it back to the original value. So Japan goes here, change this value 1.0k, color to the color that we're using. This one is Russia, RUSSIA, Russia. Just increase it here, and then change it to 1.2k. Change the color, this color. Okay, what's this N coming from? Okay, go here, put it here, and then simply backspace. Okay, Russia, and then goes India. India is almost this reference number. Okay, not my own number. Again and again saying that again and again, just to avoid disclaimers. Okay, just to give disclaimers. And then EU 2.7k, 2.7k, and then just lastly change its color, and you are almost about done. Okay, and now this is something you can make. You copy this, and now this thing. Okay, I'm gonna do this one as well. Okay, so icon, I saw one illustration here, very nice illustration. It was kind of an abstract thing. I don't know where it is. I can't actually find it anymore. I did find it like previously when I was typing backgrounds, or how say, I don't know, what do we call it, abstract, I don't know, background. I was typing it, showed some, oh yeah, here I just entered background and it did work well here. Okay, you don't have that one, we're going to use this one. Insert this one, put it here, Control Shift G, it's going to change its color. Remove this one, delete this one, delete, change its color a little bit like this. Delete this one, undo, 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 undo. Now we're going to change like this, changes this one's color to this, and maybe change this color to maybe this, and then probably change this color to some other thing. And then all we're gonna do is like copy it, group it, bring it here, and then we're going to just put it here for illustration. We can do anything else. We can also put a grid here. Okay, I'm going to show you what I meant by putting a grid here. So put it here. Okay, now do it like this. Okay, move it a little bit ahead, send to back. Okay, and then let's just move this one a little bit up here, and then go to icons, and then just simply type grid. Once you type grid, it will show you some towers, although it's not an identical tower, but you can just still simply put it here, send to back, put it like this, go here, make it smaller, put it like this, send to back. Now look at this, copy this, go back to the PowerPoint, make a different PowerPoint, delete this, paste this as an image. Voila, it's a nice looking graphic. And now once you put this one in a Word document, I'm going to show you how beautiful it's going to look. So this is how you can make your manuscripts look more beautiful and more impactful. Okay, now if you put it here like this, look at this, just look at this. So if you're going to put a 6.5 and see how it looks like, it's looking amazing, right? You don't have to do a lot. It's just simple small steps that you did. And shout out to Visual Capitalist. It's an amazing graphic that they made, and all I had to do is like simply just show you how you can do it. So I hope you guys like this video. If you didn't watch my previous video, do watch them. If you have any comments, do leave your comments down below. And if you need any suggestion or help, please feel free to write me on my email address heatherniaz12@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.